to refer a friend on PrizePicks. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you will be able to refer a friend on PrizePicks. So as you can see that I'm in the official article page in PrizePicks regarding referrals. So you need to first understand what PrizePicks referral codes are. So a PrizePicks referral code is a way to earn money in your account by referring others to become PrizePicks member. So it is just one of the many ways we show appreciation to our valued members for helping grow our community. So just like sports, PrizePicks is more fun when you play with friends. So PrizePicks referral codes are the easy way to send your invitation to your friends, families, and whoever you think would love your daily fantasy sports game like you do. So referral codes are easy to send and use, so our members can help grow the game and share the fun quickly and easily. So is there a referral bonus that you will get if you invite your friends? Yes, you will receive an automatic $25 every time someone who sign up with your invite code complete his or her first deposit. We want to spread the love and spread the game, so when our members helps us, we always return the favor. The more people who use our referral code, the more referral bonuses you can earn. So where can you find your referral code? So you can access your referral invite code by clicking on Get $25 tab found on the toolbar along the button on your app, or you can use this link. If you have any trouble finding your PrizePicks referral code, don't hesitate to reach out to the members supporting team. So this is basically how you will be able to refer a friend on PrizePicks. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.